Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now if you always wanted to activate your Windows 10 but you didn't know how to do it quite properly, then all you had to do is to follow this link which I left in the description of this video, copy all the text within it, make a new text file, paste all the text within it, and then save it as an ANSI type file. And don't forget to name the file Windows 10 activation.cmd and then save it, whatever you want. But first of all, you'll have to turn off your antivirus, because otherwise it's gonna recognize it as a threat and it's gonna delete the file. So you've done nothing. And when you've done all of that, go to that file, click Run as Administrator, and it's all done. You've activated your Windows. You're welcome. Just subscribe to my channel. That'd be great. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned, guys.